almost say contempt. Almost say contempt ache the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. And you know, almost the Osaje for air court. Almost the contempt. You have not served Osaje for. You are rushing to court. Once Arabia make say, and come a protocol judge. People think I'm insulting him. No. You have to know what you are doing. Footballer beer and him say, you born 19 minutes. In the first 45 minutes, there can be a red card, there can be a penalty, there will be a goal, there will be a draw. At the end of the match, it can be draw or win, or the match will be postponed. Coach Papa Bia Enim. Teacher Papa Bia Enim says, subject to it, I was a military team. Until me go school more. Me prepare me who say, and then be subject to it, and person medical children colano. And I say, subject to it, a media man colano say, or Fanko fee, and call your homework or some fambra. A dear teacher no qua, or requesting from Colano homework, no. Now, him, Eddie, the word Juma. I'm a come Jay-Z Nkwan aye jaja. Say, on him how it works. Mammy 20 issue no more. And then Omoko PMO Ewo Kumase High Court. Now, Omoko PMO no court to say, or judge and say, on to me. And the assembly, I don't want to judge for a man with the assembly. Now, judge, you know, the reason and say, of it or your domain, or sergeant for a and a henny, and the or sergeant for case, on to me international, or you are judge, you know, you're well educated, or you're very well educated. Now, judge, you know, a judge, or the kind D assembly, I can't say, you man or Lankama. On to me and grant o momo stop it okuja man na ya samodi ankrata ewo National House of Chiefs. Nemum for ankrata no call the Bono Regional House of Chiefs in 21 working days. That is Sergeant General ena okasai. Or say on to me in the assembly if say or sergeant for a ne hene. Entino mon kope obia oye neutral no omeka assembly emamo. Now first of all, we say obi bianya na hondi say Oma semna omo canon, just one of the useless asemwa. Ubiyan hubu ubi aseda. One of the useless and bogus asemwa. It makes no sense. Bisame say adeng. Ubeti me bisame comment section say adeng. What the asema ko court? Asemna o de court no. Court no share house no say in 21 working days no. Onfanje krata no nye hwemu. You just came outside. Started jubilating, using powder on fake abusiapeninis in Sampa, dancing in Ancoman's compound. Nyaya me yana say, "Omon timi pie Sampa bonte, engu Sampa bonte ensaw." So we see with the other corona person jubilate, you jubilate outside the town for everybody to know. Say you are jubilating. Omo bi efono na mo grum, no mo tum, no mo di asawo inside. That is hypocrisy. That is cowardness. Yes, Remo. Court no say on timi ni assembly. Judge no say on timi international so. Enti no omo kope judge foforo na omra na omedi om assembly no emma nti sesi ya no court no asori assembly so. It has been a useless case now. I hear one of the bogus and useless case now. Now let's come back to the reality. Assembly nti amose me de contempt akwa Osaje for no. Last 2 weeks Friday. Ni 2 weeks ni on the 13th of this month. Documents now have been rejected by the research committee at the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. So contempt ben wasem na woka. When we say you people rush and fall in, sana brekum for Brekum Traditional Council at the Bono Regional House of Chiefs Echo Court say the Regional House of Chiefs say omuma brekum hini biya emma. Brekum here emma the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Me come yen sasemwa. Asem na moko kan send the air chichire moko and make achire because you are dealing with the wise people at the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. The same scenario at the Brekum Traditional Council sorry here Edi nananom court say nananom say omuma brekum here emba the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. When amoko fa na lawyer opodi omasem obiri boy. Obiri boy as a lawyer never realized say brekum ni hele. And the house deal with only the paramount chiefs, not the traditional council. Oko court ako dibim. Eni bia ne ebe to amakom jezi ni na pan for we. Amakom jezi ni nkro for. they have not realized say Monkrata no the CD forms no house not national. I rejected Krata say and qualified until Omudimini. They have disqualified the CD forms so until contempt ben Nkrata ben one sem now the contempt that common sense. Now Omoba Abonte Amakom Jay-Z Emmanuel Ankama the Facebook page no. Amakom Jay-Z betray and over be on the Facebook page ho. Abusia share video no mame. Amakom Jay-Z betray bibi on the Facebook page ho meba. Mame expose no. We Amakom Jay-Z Facebook page. We samu clear mama me hu samu clear. We Amakom Jay-Z Facebook page. Sa Facebook page bi na mo hunu wo media no so ayatwa so Sampa Traditional Council no Emmanuel Ankama ankasa Facebook page no on na create here because Sampa Traditional Council don't have a Facebook page. Good. Yenko read na ye expose no. Ankama ankasa na tire o say ene 28th ti asem na nkomo na me ni wudi no bebi a wako bi a woka no na ohun se de obeka no. Yeah, untimi hu ni yie untimi ehu ni yie enini ma post no me wall no so enti no se opese ohu mu nchiremu a emu nchiremu na me de be no ma expose wo mu but ebia ohu no clear e wo ha enini all right enini I think now mo be hu no clear good me ba ohre we the National House of Chiefs president now ye ready Amakom Jay-Z the post na oye ene Emmanuel Ankama the post na oye ene no ye reading na expose no or say breaking news through convenience of the Bono Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs. One, we don't have Bono Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs. Kratano da ho obetimi akwa akofa ma postu ade we e wo me Facebook page wo na botra na me kan na me expose wo mo Amakom Jay-Z Emmanuel Ankama ankasa na yes post we o enti post we enti na me ye video no me be break it down this post na ma expose wo big time on this na ma hunu say Emmanuel Ankama ene ne toys na omonam sampa ho no omo ye trofo che obi owiase mo mpia video no ma no nkona edru omo no omunya bi hwe o say breaking news. We Emmanuel Ankama Facebook page. Or see breaking news. Through the convenience of the Bono Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs, Domahene and Sumahene and deceitfully submitted the CD forms of the self-proclaimed Queen Mother of Sampa Traditional Council for gazetting. However, thanks to the vigilance of the National House of Chiefs, the forms were rejected and have been returned to the Bono Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs. Throughout this year, Asemna make an me catch them say we work with fact figure. We don't lie because we know shame no wa nya asem no kre na tie. Me ntwa ntro nkyerɛ me nyi sika wo ho me nsre sika wo ho me mpɛ hwe mfiri wo ho me mpɛ data mfiri wo ho ɛna me hia hwe nso mfiri wo ho but no kre no me serew bie wadwi mu na tie na ma wo ho ntɔ. Throughout this year, the National House of Chiefs equasetna once pe. January, February, March 2025, the third month in. Throughout this year, the National House of Chiefs equasetna once pe. Asitna once na omuko in the month of February. That month of February, they did not discuss anything about any chief or any throne. The discussion between the National House of Chiefs on that very day, was to meet the Minister for Chieftaincy and Culture, Ahmed. The Minister for Chieftaincy and Omushiano. That was the discussion on the Shiamo. Ekoda Nuwadi say na president so the minister of chieftaincy and culture and whatsoever in Ghana or no. And of course, I think not take time in they did not discuss anything. Their second meeting was supposed to be today. The National House of Chiefs, their second meeting was supposed to be today, and then they postponed the meeting from today until further notice. So, post we maybe some. Just look at the post and judge these people that they are liars. Omu ya trofo, omu nkanokre, omu ye nkontompo fo, omu ye trofo. She post no, omu ye trofo. One, we don't have any Bono Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs. We don't have any Bono Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs. Second, there have not been any sitting about any Queen Mother. Queen Mother being Kratana Yeriko saying Gazette. Queen Mother being. The Queen Mother is there. Then the Nabina Sarai is on the throne. On only the assassin on the Nabina Sarato Simino, on only the Sampa assassin. Nedia and the Sampa assassin. So they should stop misinformation, no misleading people, no lies now. On the system, no. Some of us are ready to always let the people know the truth. Until yesterday. Amakom Jezi na pamfo munja entrona ya mudino system no na emboamo enti abusia this case no obi bia obehu no bebia no eye Emmanuel Ankama Amakom Jezi ono ena ne de ne sa platform no ono odi hu dwuma ono okreti ye na otu reading say Sampa Traditional Council any Facebook page because nananom edi omuhuni omuni Facebook page omfa Facebook page enya hwe nananom omo the Facebook page den na Emmanuel Ankama de ono na akọ create ni Facebook page a odidi ni nkwasi asem enti no we are okọ twetwe yi yam say mama obi bia nyamo nti ase ma explain actually mo clearly nananom nkwasi tena omo anka bibia mfa obi akrata ho na ne me pese me mami obi anya no ho nti ase ne say okoji aman na ya osan bodua CD forms na ewo National House of Chiefs no. It's not a topic of discussion. It's not a topic of discussion because CD forms answer na ever topic of discussion no na every committee being sat answer na one discuss it. But nana ya somebody CD forms no has passed all through the committees. All the committees at the National House of Chiefs has approved nana ya somebody CD forms. So we don't have anything called discussion on nana ya somebody CD forms. Yes, Remo. Omunim ne eba. Nkoma kopet da dieche ashe metal. I will say any current citizen. Emrepam, me no be